you can now analyze any programming unit with this visualization, which is fed by the data from Red Eléctrica's I90 files, where here, for example, we have the programming units, in this case Cartagena, but you can search for any other like Duero, and we have a control panel where we can choose the dates, some rules to define the time range, and here we have the visualization, which is interactive. If you watch, I go to markets, I click, and I can see in which type of program the energy concentrates most. But not only that, down here we also have the detail within each day for each one of the quarter hourly sessions, how the programming unit behaves. And not only this, when I hover over a point, I can see what the prices and volume were in each one of the markets. If I leave it clicked, we can watch how the differences get recomputed as I navigate. But beyond having the data to visualize session by session across the selected date range, here in the browser, we can visualize a heat map of the 14 days, 28, whatever time range you've selected, to see the patterns in that heat map, and dynamically the chart, as I hover with the mouse, keeps updating, as you can see here on screen. Another thing you can notice is if I come here to look at the heat map and click on the restrictions after the daily market, I can observe a different kind of pattern in the data. Remember here that each point represents a session, quarter hourly, on a specific day of the ones we've selected here in the range of months. On the other hand, we can select another program, for example, the P48, and here we see the full result. When we hover, we can observe the information. For now, some features are still missing: user experience, anything you notice that's lacking, or any bug the app has, you can leave me the feedback here. And from there, we keep improving this visualization system so you can see what each programming unit does in detail across every market.